Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video I'll be explaining about the functional working differences between exact and if function. How exact function and if function differs in working. See, we have first name in small letters and in column B, and we have in column C first name. Some are in capitals, some are in proper format, means where first letter is capital, and some are in small letters. So I'll be using exact function upon the first names given in column A, column B and column C. See, so I'll be applying exact function here. Equal to exact, bracket starts, text 1, text 2, Amit from column B and C, false, because it gave false because in column B we have Amit in small and in column C we have Amit in caps. Only it will show true in that row where we have exactly same matches between the first names given in column B and column C. So Neha and Mohit are exact match. Now we'll find if function, how if function works, how if function compares between two names. Equal to if text 1, text 2, then if Amit from B column and Amit from C column are equal, then it will give false. If they are not equal, then it will give, it both are equal, then it will give true. If they are unequal, then it will give false. So I think all will be true. Yes, because the alphabets provided in column B and column B are exactly same. It is case if function is not case sensitive. Now if we change the spelling of Kumar in column C, it gave false because there is one extra A in Kumar. So guys, hope I have made you understand what is the exactly differences between exact and if function. If you liked my teaching, do like. If you liked my tutorial, then do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.